Hi students, before 4 chapters completed, now 5th chapter, triangle and its properties. So what is a triangle? A simple closed figure bounded by 3 line segments is called a triangle. See this concept. Triangle. Triangle means a simple closed figure bounded by 3 line segments is called a triangle. This is one of the triangle. In triangle ABC, triangle having 3 sides, 3 angles and 3 vertices. Means first what are 3 sides? AB, BC, CA. These are 3 sides of a triangle. Here see 3 sides of a triangle. AB, BC, CA. Next 3 angles. What are 3 angles? Angle A, angle B, angle C. These 3 angles of triangle ABC. Next 3 vertices means last corners. A, B, C. These are 3 vertices of triangle. Next in the triangle, classification of triangles according to sides. According to sides, according to angles. Types are there. Now according to sides. Equilateral triangle. Equilateral triangle means a triangle having all 3 sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. Means AB equal to BC equal to CA. AB equal to BC equal to CA. This is equilateral triangle. For example, here 5 centimeters means here also 5 centimeters. AC also 5 centimeters. Equilateral triangle means a triangle having all 3 sides of equal length is called equilateral triangle. Next, isosceles triangle. A triangle having at least 2 sides are equal length is called isosceles triangle. Means AB equal to AC is not equal to BC. So not only these 2 sides, any 2 sides are equal. Means here 5 centimeters, here also 5 centimeters. This is 6 centimeters. Like that, if any 2 sides are equal is called isosceles triangle. Next, scalene triangle. If all 3 sides are different length is called scalene triangle. Means like this. AB is not equal to BC is not equal to AC. Here 2 centimeters. This is 3 centimeters. This is 4 centimeters. Like all are not equal length. Means AB is not equal to BC is not equal to AC. If the all 3 sides are different length is called a scalene triangle. Based on sides 3 types. Next, based on angles. Based on angles. Acute angle triangle. Acute angle triangle. A triangle all angles are acute is called acute angle triangle. Means 0 to 90 between angle is called acute angle. Next, obtuse angle. A triangle whose angle one of the angle is obtuse is called a obtuse angle triangle. Right angle triangle. A triangle whose one of the angle is right angle is called right angle triangle. Right angle means 90 degrees. One of the angle is 90 degrees is called right angle triangle. See this one. This is one of the triangle. So in this triangle based on sides, based on angles. Based on sides types. Based on sides types. This one equilateral triangle. All sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. All sides are equal is called equilateral triangle. 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters. This is equilateral triangle. Based on sides 3 types. Second one, isosceles triangle. If 2 sides are equal, 2 sides are equal length is called isosceles triangle. Means here 3 centimeters, 3 centimeters, 5 centimeters. Here 2 sides are equal, third one is different. This is isosceles triangle. Next, scalene triangle. 3 sides are different length. 3 sides are having different length is called scalene triangle. means here 3 centimeters, 4 centimeters, 5 centimeters. All are having different length is called scalene triangle. Based on sides, these three types. Next, based on angles. Based on angles. First one, acute angle triangle. Means below acute. All angles are acute angle triangles. Is called acute angle triangle. Means here 50 degrees, 60, 70. And triangle condition, sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. We know that sum of three angles of a triangle equal to 180 degrees. Based on that condition, all angles are acute. Is called acute angle triangle. Next, second one, right angle triangle. One of the angle is right angle. Means one angle is 90 degrees. So remaining two acute angles, 30 degrees, 60 degrees. Sum of three angles is 180 degrees. Like that. This is called right angle triangle. Next one, obtuse angle triangle. Means 90 above is called obtuse angle triangle. This is 110 degrees. This one 30, 40. Sum of three angles of a triangle we get 180 degrees. Like that. One of the angle is obtuse. This is called obtuse angle triangle. These are all based on angles. So this is about triangles based on sides, based on angles. Next. This is one of the triangle. Triangle ABC. They given lengths. Length they given. Here AB. Opposite here. Small a take. Here B. C take. This length. ABC. In that, find it is a suitable for triangle or not. It is suitable for triangle or not. So this is one of the condition is that sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Means for example total this AB plus BC is greater than CA or AC. Sum of two sides is greater than the third side. AB means small c plus BC means small a is greater than B. This is condition. Not only AB plus BC, take different sides also. Means AB plus CA is greater than BC. Sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Like BC plus CA. BC plus CA is greater than AB. Means according to that, again see here, A, B, C, three sides of a triangle. A plus B is greater than C. B plus C is greater than A. Next, A plus C is greater than B. A plus C is greater than B. A plus B is greater than C. B plus C is greater than A. A plus C is greater than B. Means these three conditions satisfy, it is form a triangle. For example, one of the example, A equal to 5 centimeters, B equal to 2 centimeters, C equal to 3 centimeters. This is it is a form or not triangle. How to solve this one? Sum of two sides is greater than the third side. Means A plus B is greater than C. Means 5 plus 2 is greater than 3. 5 plus 2, 7. 7 is greater than 3. First condition. Okay. Next condition. Next one. 2 plus 3 is greater than 5. 5 is not greater than the 5. So wrong. Means it is not suitable for triangle. Like that. If in case it is also true and the third condition also true, then only it is suitable for triangle. Next. This is one of the triangle ABC. They given lengths 5 centimeters, 6 centimeters, 7 centimeters. They given sides. Find which is longest side, which is longest angle. They given sides, which is longest angle. Here observe AB opposite angle C. here three sides AB, BC, CA. These are three sides of a triangle. In that AB opposite angle, AB opposite angle C, BC opposite angle A, AC opposite angle B. Like this side opposite angle, angle C. Got it? BC opposite angle, angle A. Means according to sides, angles finding here. AB side opposite angle C, BC side opposite angle, angle A, AC one of the side that opposite angle B. Like here remaining letters AB opposite angle, angle C, BC opposite angle, angle A, CA side opposite angle, angle B. Like that they given sides, find which is largest angle. We know sides 5 cm, 6 cm, 7 centimeters. Like which is greater side? AB is greater side. They asking angle. AB opposite angle C, means in that greater angle. Greater angle. We know that side, greatest side AB. AB opposite angle C. Now this is angle C is greater angle. Like smaller angle. Smaller angle. Smaller side which is 5 centimeters is smaller side. In that opposite angle is A. Angle A is smaller. So like that they given angles. Before sides they given find angles. Like that they given angles 50 degrees, 60 degrees, 70 degrees. So no need to countable these sides. Now next one, they given angles. Angles they given which is smallest side, which is greatest side. Got it? So smallest angles they given, smallest side, greatest side. Before we know that sides they given which is the smallest angle, which is greatest angle, we know that. Now angles they given. Here 50 degrees, angle A is equal to angle A opposite side BC. Here see another triangle. Here 50, 60, 70 take. A, B, C. 50, 60, 70. 50 degrees. A. Angle A is 50 degrees. Angle A opposite side BC. Here angle A opposite BC side. Next angle B opposite. Angle B opposite AC. Angle C opposite AB. Like that. Here angle A 50 degrees equal to 50 degrees. Angle B equal to 60 degrees. Angle C equal to 70 degrees. Now based on degrees they given, find which is smallest side. Here 50, 60, 70. About these angles which is the smallest angle? 50 degrees means angle A. Side BC means this is smallest side is smallest side. They given angles, find smallest angle. Smallest side is BC. Like greatest angle, greatest side means greatest angle what? Angle C. Opposite side BC. This is answer BC. AB. Angle C is greatest. Opposite side AB or BA. AB or BA.